This is your instructional video for your 500 ml vanilla citrus body oil bundle. The first step with your body oil is to give it a shake, and that is to mix in the vanilla essential oils into the rest of the product. The next step is to open it by pushing the round-sided metal wire away. And this bundle comes with a pour measuring spout, which makes it really easy to refill. So you're going to just put that onto the bottle, make sure that it's all the way down, and then open it up. And then you can pour it into whatever bottle or container is involved in your package. And you can fill it up all the way or halfway. We'll show you quickly how to do it with a 5 ml bottle as well. And then you're going to want to make sure all the lids are put back on properly. And then to close the 500 ml bottle, remove the cap carefully. And then put the lid on by pressing the round edge down.